Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. May I know from the Honorable Minister in charge, Sports and Youth Affairs, how much funds allocated to each district?
Speaker, sir. Sir, the fund allocated to each district is to the DC of Shillong and Pura, sir, is 30 lakhs. And the remaining districts, sir, is about 17 lakhs.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. May I know from the Honorable Minister, what are the special scheme and innovative schemes proposed exceeding 50,000 rupees?
Mr. Speaker, sir, schemes have been applied through CMYDS, which is okay, sir. I have the list with me, sir, but it's a very long list, sir. So we have.
Just tell me what type of schemes.
So any schemes, but it has to be youth-centric. Any schemes, but it has to be youth-centric. It has to be related to the youth.
Mr. Speaker, sir, may I know from the Honorable Minister in charge, some district we have, as mentioned by the Honorable Minister, Iskas Hills and Tura have given 30 lakhs, and others district 70 lakh each, and 17 lakhs. And may I know from the Honorable Minister, this happened only this year 2023, or you have specific guidelines for the district?
So this is for the year 2023-24. So we don't have a specific guideline that states that we can only disburse, like I said, 50 lakhs for Tura and Shillong. But sir, it depends, sir. Since East Kashmir is a very huge district as well as Tura, one of the main towns. So that's the main reason, so we have distributed more funds to them.
Thank you. Why I'm asking this question, sir? Because see, some district having 2 constituency, 3 constituency, and in Riboi district we have 5 constituency. So that's why I'm asking these questions. If the department can, give these schemes, CMYDF as per the number of the constituency wise, I think it will be benefited to the youth of our district. Since our district, Riboi district also is one of the biggest, we have 5 constituency. So any intention, did the government have any intention to, to review this, the allocation of the schemes?
Mr. Speaker, sir, I understand the concern of the Honorable MLA. But sir, the allocation of funds is based on the number of organizations or clubs that have been registered with the concerned district administration with the DC. So based on that, sir, we release the funds. So it's not constituency wise, but based on the number of organizations or clubs that have registered in the DC, sir.
Thank you. One more supplementary question, sir. May I know from the Honorable Minister, what is the major programs that the sports department through this CMYDF scheme has been conducted, the major programs? May I know from you?
So we have conducted a lot of programs, sir, but I can name a few. So we have conducted under this particular scheme, we had conducted singing programs, musical instrument, dance, essay writing, extempore speech and debate, quizzing, coding and technology, painting or drawing, crafts, theatre, and other notable and unique skills.
Sir, may I know from the Honorable Minister whether this CM-YDF can be routed through MLAs, because the scheme's ISYTP is too small an amount, sir, 3 lakhs, and we have numbers of sports clubs, organizations in our constituency. So if this can be routed, it will be a great help for the MLAs to deal as far as the issue of sports is concerned.
Mr. Speaker, sir, the guidelines for this CMYDS, is that, sir, anything up to the amount of 2 lakhs is through the district administration, and above 2 lakhs to 5 lakhs it's with the directorate, and above 5 lakhs it's with the Department of Sports and Youth. So it's not routed through the MLA, but we have a guideline here that it has to be routed through these 3 committees.
So may I ask the Honorable Minister whether the government can relook or review the guidelines?
So we will examine the matter.